The two shapes below are similar. Remember that that means that one is an enlargement of the other. We want to find the area of the larger shape. Looking at the lengths first, this length is 3 centimeters, and the corresponding side in the larger shape is of length 6 centimeters. So if we consider the ratio of the lengths, this ratio is 3 centimeters to 6 centimeters, and this cancels to 1 to 2. The ratio for the areas, therefore, has to be 1 squared to 2 squared, which is 1 to 4. Now if we consider that it's the larger shape we're trying to find, so we're enlarging from small to large. That means we take this ratio 1 to 4 and write it as 4 over 1. If we're going small to large, we put the larger number in the ratio above the smaller one. We then multiply that by the area of the smaller shape. 4 over 1 times 12 gives us 48 centimeters squared as the area of the larger shape.